MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
It's been a couple months since we last brought you an update on our long-term 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ, but that's not because we've been shy behind the wheel. Quite the contrary, actually. Our digital odometer reads 8,500 miles, about 7,500 more since our last plug. We did take it to the dealership about 1,000 miles ago for a tire rotation and a software update. But beyond that, we haven't had to do a thing maintenance-wise. We're still finding the 340-mile range to be accurate, but one piece of kit we recently picked up was a charging adapter, converting the LYRIQ CCS plug to a Tesla-style NACS port. With the proper software update, this adapter opens up a world of superchargers for us to enjoy, even further cutting down on any range anxiety. Not that we feel much behind the wheel.
This LYRIQ continues to be very pleasant to live with. This is the single motor rear drive unit, so we're not getting thrill ride-like acceleration when we hit that right pedal, but it's still more than enough for this upscale daily driver. Admittedly, we still haven't come around to using this screen for a lot of the basic functions, but we can't deny that it does add a certain level of futurism to the cockpit.
An example of a basic function hidden by menu diving is the garage door opener. Things like that may be better left to physical controls, or at least less digital navigation. But that's about the extent of our complaints so far. Needless to say, we're rather happy with the LYRIQ. We'll have more on our 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ soon, but not before one final check on our 2024 Nissan Sentra on the next MotorWeek long-term road test update.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.